Breaking news out of Japan this morning. Coinbase officially halting operations in Japan. Now, this announcement came in the wee hours of the morning, and this comes on the back of an announcement made by CEO of Coinbase, Brian Armstrong, last week, saying that they plan to cut an additional 20% of the global workforce in order to manage operating expenses. What they're basically doing is a complete review of business in Japan, and they're seeing if it's a viable operation at this point. Coinbase's VP Nana Muruga-san and Coinbase Japan CEO Nao Kitzawa, hopefully I pronounced those right, they said, due to changes in the market environment, we have made the difficult decision to completely review our current business in Japan and terminate transactions with existing customers. However, we are committed to making this transition as smooth as possible for our valued customers. Now, what they have announced is that people will have an opportunity to remove or withdraw their assets until February 16th. They can withdraw them to other crypto exchanges, Coinbase Wallet, or other self-hosted wallets. Now, this is somewhat surprising because Japan is really becoming a booming crypto economy. We're really starting to see crypto take off in Japan during these times. In fact, the growth has been exponential. It's one of the next big places where crypto is beginning to boom. Now, whether they will restart this back up after they review the viability of these operations, we don't know. But this is just coming to you. We obviously wanted to make sure that you guys were informed. If you are in Japan and listen to this, definitely plan for this. February 16th is the date that is coming. Just be prepared. Just obviously want to keep you updated and informed on all things crypto. But hopefully you guys have a great day. Appreciate you stopping in, checking out the video. Do make sure you show your support for the channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell, stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day. Hope to catch you in the next one.